Good morning. Today it is a beautiful morning. I am ready to get after some walleyes. I got here a little bit later than I wanted. Had a little complications that I had to take care of before I got here. But guess what, everybody? Today's my birthday, so that's why I'm here fishing during the week, because I'm about to go after some fish for my birthday, because you guys know I love fishing. But I gotta quit messing around. I gotta get lined up because last night, from the video that you seen before, right here, I broke off. So I gotta get all rigged up again. Welcome and let's go! No, dude, that is a bass! Holy moly! Holy crap! Holy moly! Nice shot. This is the most fun I've had in my life. All right, we're down here. A little prepared today. Brought more jig heads. So now I'll be throwing a jig head like this, right here. And I got gloves because I was complaining about it being cold. And I brought another rod. Dude, we're all set up today. Let's get these fish, boys. Plastic taste. Smallie. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, another smallie. On the Kalins again. I forget what jig head this is, but it's like Y&M or something like that. But there she is. All right, little buddy. Get a little bigger. You're fat. So maybe you make some babies and then grow bigger. But thank you. There he goes. See you later. Well, broke my skunk. Broke the old skunk. Smallies are starting to bite. That means it's time. Ooh, stick bass. Another smallie. Hui. Number 2 of the day. Number 2 of today. Whoa! Look how fat they are. That means they're about to ready to spawn, but the water's cold, so it might be still a little while. All right, let's let this little booger go. We'll take pictures later. See you later. All right. There he goes. Good man. Good man. Swimming off freely. Smallies are starting to make some wind. No way. That was on the drop. Another smallie. Yeah. Nice. Smallie mayhem. Number 3. Moving on up in the morning. Love their bars. Just love that color. Woo! Oh, Smallie, what is your problem? All right. Ready? Hui! There he goes. Uh-oh. It's my last one. I switched to a regular lead head instead of using my wands
These are a little cheaper to lose. If it doesn't work though, I'll switch back. They might have just liked the way that head rode on the bottom. We'll see though. I think you just put it in their face. You're golden. Oh man, eyelets are freezing up. That was a thump. But this is Smalley. Just another Smalley. I was just hoping it was a Walter Wall. Knock it off. Don't fight me. He's got some battle scars on him. Little battle scars. Ready? Backflip. 2 points. Nice. Nice. What the? Look at that. Now that is fishing right there. Hooked up. I'm gonna show the big camera. If you don't call this fishing, I don't know what you call it, but look at that. Caught myself some bait. It's a lure actually, but we'll keep it. We'll keep it. Smalley. Hui. It's a better one. It's a good one. Aren't they so beautiful? There he goes. Yeah. Woo! Hope you guys enjoyed me out there catching them smallies. It was a super fun day. It was good to get out during the week and to get out on some smallies. I just super excited that they're starting to make their way. We're gonna hopefully get some better weather out here, so everything will start making its way into the shallower waters. That way I can start getting after some flathead, get some content out there. I need to get catch and cook for you guys, so hopefully the walleyes will start making their way my way, so I can start where they're more active, I should say, that they're biting. I don't really know much about smallies. I just know that there's a certain time they like to bite, and they're not there yet because we got a cold front that came through, and now we need some warm so they can come back. And we need to do something different because I can't be just catching a bunch of smallies even though it's super fun. We gotta do something different, like catch cooks and different stuff, like catch some carp, catch some catfish, and whatever else. So, like I said, that means there's going to be more videos coming, so go down to the bottom, smash the red button, and if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. So I thank every single one of you for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.